Chapter 3, Truth About Ability and Accomplishment. So this chapter is about uh, revealing truth, or what is a real perspective to look at ability and accomplishment. So this chapter is about discussion of that. We studied about grades of kids who were becoming adults. Grades of students with fixed mindset declined as compared to growth mindset. That means we were discussing about grades of students having fixed and growth mindset. So they were, for example, a child with a fixed mindset is getting a low grade in class. So it can affect his performance because he is thinking that that grade is questioning his abilities. So he may feel sad about that. And the who were becoming so grades of students with fixed mindset decline. So grades of students who were having a fixed mindset, they were declining as compared to growth mindset. So that is what we were studying. Now when stereotypes are evoked, they fill people's mind with distracting thoughts, with with secret worries about confirming stereotypes. That means when stereotypes are evoked, that means they are triggered. They fill people's mind with distracting thoughts. That means for example, if a person is against of business background, so he wants to do job only, 9 to 5 job or 9 to 5 work. So he don't believe in his own startup. So he will um, tell other people, or he will explain other people the advantages of not doing a business. So because he has a fixed mindset about his 9 to 5 job. So that is what stereotype means. That means stereotype means, for example, if a person is vegan or he do not like to eat meat, so he will explain other people that why you should not eat non-veg food. So that is a stereotype. So when they are evoked, that means they are triggered. They fill people's mind with distracted thoughts, with secret worries about confirming stereotypes. That means they will explain a veg person, that means a vegan person, about or a non-vegetarian person about why you should not eat meat, or why you should be vegetarian, or why you should be vegan. So these stereotypes will explain these non-vegetarian people that why you should not eat meat. So those are guys who are stereotypes. So they are filling the minds of others with distracting thoughts. No one knows about negative ability labels like members of stereotype groups. For example, African American know about being stereotyped as a lower in intelligence, and women are known to be less stereotyped as a bad at math and science. So these are stereotypes. So basically, for example, women are judged for they are bad at math and science, so they are judged for that. But it is not the case. We have a lot of female scientists also, but because they are stereotyped over the years, or African American peoples are being known as lower in intelligence because they are stereotyped as that. So so here comes the another part, that when a stereotypes are evoked, they fill people's mind with distracting thoughts. That means they will suggest that African American people are of low intelligence, or a woman is dumb at math and science. So they are filling other people's mind with their stereotypical thoughts. Now when people are given a positive label, they are afraid of losing it, and negative label, they are afraid of deserving it. That means when a people are given a positive label, that means they are good at math. For example, if South Indian people are good at math, so if we are saying that, and so that is a positive label. Or something, or a African American people are dumb in math, or they are lower in intelligence, so that is a negative label. So when they are given positive label, so they are afraid of losing it. And negative label, they are afraid of deserving it. That means I don't deserve this, so they are afraid of deserving it. Now, do I belong here? Do I belong here? Apart from hijacking people's abilities, stereotypes also do damage by making people feel bad. That means that means they are hijacking people's ability. That means calling someone dumb, calling someone bad, calling someone less intelligent. They are hijacking people's abilities. So that is not good also. And they do another damage by making people feel bad. That means they are doing an another damage also. And that damage is not only about making feel bad, but making them feel that they don't belong here. So that is the damage.